In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does PDF eSignature work. Think of eSignature as a secure, legally recognized way to sign a PDF without printing, scanning, or mailing anything. The process is simple for you and straightforward for your signer, and the technology under the hood makes the signed document tamper evident and traceable. First, you upload your PDF to a trusted eSignature platform such as DocuSign, Adobe Acrobat, PandaDoc, or any comparable e-sign tool your organization prefers. Make sure you're working with the final version of your document. Page order, text, and attachments should be complete, because once you begin the signing workflow, changes may require you to start a new session. Most platforms accept standard PDFs and automatically prepare them for field placement. Next, you add the fields that tell the signer exactly what to do. You'll drag and drop a signature box where you want their signature to appear, then add a date field, initials where needed, and a name field to capture their full name. These fields can usually be marked as required so nothing is missed, and you can assign each field to a specific signer if there are multiple people involved. Take a moment to align fields neatly and place them in a logical reading order. This keeps the experience smooth and prevents back and forth. When everything looks right, send the document to the signer. The platform generates an email notification with a secure signing link. The signer clicks the link and opens the PDF in a protected browser session. No special software required. From there, they choose how to sign. They can type their name to create an auto-styled signature, draw a signature with a mouse or finger, upload an image of a signature they already use, or for advanced needs, apply a digital certificate. Once they confirm, the platform places the signature in the designated spot and prompts them to complete any remaining fields. Behind the scenes, robust security kicks in. The document is encrypted, the signature is time-stamped, and identifying details like the signer's IP address are recorded. An audit trail is created that logs key actions, who signed, when, and from where, and the system generates a cryptographic hash of the final document. If anyone changes even a single character afterward, that hash no longer matches, and the platform flags the tampering, protecting the integrity of the file. That's the full life cycle. Upload, place fields, send to sign, the signer completes, and the system secures and records everything for you. Follow these steps and your PDF e-signatures will be clear, compliant, and confidently verifiable.